tinde tukwa na mangana mange na kwane point intangani na batebiga injende nene gaiga mbiyamona sogocha kuhona the invitation gocha abaga ka mwarugusi kubaka ngambiyamona abali mu visuals biyamona MCS biyamona ekora gocha tukwarenge bosa uko watera sima kora kingwa sete gocha but uwaje sengenjo maitenga kusine nene I know mokore kubwa kusiyons inje nabarangeli gocha to igwananire enyire campaign ninde rujake campaign I'm very neutral e campaign ujakolichi kura ninde tayari to support monto yomo to part nyumatraga ndagabo twagache unity to kwana igoro yo muntu tigatora chamo aba kusiyons no nyekera 40 people yakete nyachabe gitu mugusibonsi amo na bali bankudi chikura bakabaime omo area nomination ekaba bakanyara candidates titoli baliri yani ngobwanketo obora ngonda asaliri ntaboli ngumuli osaliri onda kusaliri tingo benefit from that leadership yani nimbai kontalime ntalime but I will benefit from that no ane vitalioka no mushie president thing say ngotale o mushina na president thing say ngotale nani diambateri miaka giteri na koriga biasa kanya periwaris ronya jari ngi chief secretary iba maite nganairo ngiritora kan kwa na bantu bebengi iba ngoma ta ntuma itinya sana nya jana ro ko nya jana nya komora tama nyeti bande mukwa so ni majete benefit yorai lakini at setting anjo yonge ngakeyega tindi kobori kero kende yons gato coordinate to cham from now uchimotu abakando chitobate programs to wa involve keto jagusi ngakito jagusi we involve you all right to bate ngakete kwenda nyemira toko genda onyengi stoko genda recruitment chakamo all right igonga into to have set the leadership twakiramo nonyo mbyo mitunya libokwa na binakwana still ngwatora ali UPA tuliyatora ningatora gatobamo unity of purpose kama kwenda uchimoto tinalikuwa na mangana mangitima hiyo so mungu nananga yajira
Elivo host Manson Nyamwaya and your madam, our coalition leaders, our Ivaito, Narava MCA and Council of Elders, and all the visitors who have come from Kisii. Let me start by apologizing for coming late. Onasoka uchaga mnamwante wesa saba. Ngombe tumate sa ndago cha kama goro. Nani oraba kanyaba gocha buone. Ende ya lasimisanga no chinyomba ndaba kanya. Monya bere. Normally I keep time. Number 2. Aba kusitwa chayo ama tukamange. Ena alibunga toraba kusitwa bunge almost 23 I think. Lakini kwa hiyo esengencho turugete kile kiombe. Toraba kusitwa 22 tukwa tibiombe kusenane. Konya ruta kurangari monto yomo mungaina. Orangari yonde mungaina. Orangari yondo para ki mungaina. Ende kala kurangari tikende na yeka orangari. Onyare kutobaka to an extent where we have nothing to show for it. Kama Raila Odinga otoya chikura the same thing njira kwandre obviously nga omugera uire kiri ngoso ene mwegete ngotawo era kanange kandi kiukwana ngaya akira chiko ora ruji minisa to kuchogera ukusito ngona na yemo. So you are preaching to the converted. And by the way, manyati ekiombe ke His Excellency yako na iko ku UPA ekiya ni kiombe kiani ekiya iko ku Party of Economic Democracy bado nyorete by election ya 2020 kiamo kama I had a candidate, his name is Ondabo ngaba suma akanyibera chikura nende bakanuri kiombe kiani bakachange bakagera UPA lakini mwana ndo ramu twins Bang itu ya, sembarang ada. Mona gente kiangeni aki ekiombeke mokere gase coalition. Twabeire tukukwana no mugaka Kengere, mugaka Misati, Manson no Mingo. With the aim of having an umbrella. And so what you have said, my elders, is perfectly in line with what we are discussing and perfectly in line with the aspirations of Mugusi. I can assure you, Masako ngeti kende kirogi yanse mora antebi. Njira ngore te kero. Wedere kiombeke. Inche tirwa na kiombeke na inde. Jingonde gase coalition. Yo bara mwana mwate kero kama tayari. And I'll bring it. When I speak to my colleagues in Parliament, luckily, they are all of the same mind frame. What has lacked is this arrangement and initiative, and we thank you very much for doing that. Lastly, I think now that we have agreed, allow us to go out and preach. Enough numbers. So when the time comes, it's a question of applying our minds and our resources to ensure that whichever candidates we have, it will be very good that whether once he elected 20 Kunyamira and 45 Kurukusongo, once 65 regularly, very cumulative. Togo kia ujumbe, kianda, plus 4, plus women reps, senators, once. Watu wale kiumbikito. Babo soro na babo bacha mnyakiwocha. Ya mataibo. Ima tenga bacha mnyakiwocha. Uko kwa kila pressure kwa ground, akora baki. Anchikocha. Manson Karo ro mheshimiwa Manson na Omingo, I'm sure. Nataka na wale kiwocha si kiumbikito. Aende kwa motenga manduko tevile, atata nitese kiumbikito, ngoma sare tule kuru bunge. That is what we want. So that we are selfish intricately for our people. Awe kwa hapa, babo tumaina. Musaba kwa naiga, ita na baba karaki, baba amo. Usiyo tuwachi kwa jingu baba mero. Akina mero want more resources, more positions, more budget allocation than us, because we are divided. And so, I'm grateful that we are in agreement. That as a people we shall work together. And when the time comes, I can assure you with our mandate, with our numbers, both in Kisii County, Nyamira, and the diaspora counties of Kenya, we shall be able to have at least 2 million votes, Chief, which will be double the votes that the Merus have. Manson, I came to eat. I'm hungry. I think we are finished eating.
Jomvu in Mombasa is a constituency we can win. Kajiado North is a constituency we can win. Chiward Nairobi ga ekeretu alego kora mapping maete na chete school ya siasa ya Raila ne ya Ruto. Ya Ruto, they deal with numbers. Numbers mokorete voter register. Mwaso maigama lieta mwamanya muntu yonka yakorwa. You may not believe, we initially had targeted 17 wards in Nairobi. Angaba Gusii, Walechi MCA. Lakini wache ward mune South B ward. Wanyawara, number 1, Omo Ikoyo. Ugate, let's say 11,000 votes. Number 2, Omo Gusii, Korokobiri with 8,000. Number 3, Omo Gusii with 6,000. Number 4, Omo Gusii with 5,000. Igo abantu batano. Okubekera nchikura chiabo ikigo cha 20,000. Togende Kasarani. Ward nere galia ekoruku Clay City. Clay City omonto mogusinaro tenenete akanyora 24,000 votes. Oyo kumubwati mogusionde 11,000 votes. Oyo bwete 31,000 votes. Moroche akiaba gusii igontwe chogete boli. Koko enda sakuru kulikoni. Ward yere kabisa se ekwere neto ekefukio eferi yebire lieta. Omo Gusii akaba namba 2, namba 3, namba 4. Ekoroku Timbwani ward. So what I'm trying to say, what these wonderful leaders have done here today is a demonstration that we can come together abantu bagocha batwetani mono ni ntuntu tochorire tore closer to powers that be ore close to Raila kwa rangende gari ndachiko banamba isana tigambere ga Raila mbenambe ibere ngende gari gochikuru tinkoba igari tingochikoba chief whip tigambere ga taking personal interest before the community interest. Igo, what we are going to do, and I'm requesting, let us stop thinking small. Let us think big. Thinking big, no go chamo. Ekertua chiramo, we will be able to negotiate with other communities. Unaboniga, Moroche, Mount Kenya has so many parties. But kero monta sako genda, wa munyoro. Talibo. Na hitu tigatobe kanamo. Abantu bamanye na ki. Omogusi, a team, a coalition to Arosiri, Eraire na Manson. Tigatoge enda otobe kanamo unomogusi. From there, we should be able to negotiate with Wamunyoro. We should be able to negotiate with PAPK in Western. We should be able to negotiate with even Jubilee. And then we tell them, now we are forming an even bigger coalition to have even our presidential candidate. While I have been pushing for unity of Omogusi, I'm demanding that this time round, we don't just threaten that we are coming together. We actualize it and we field a presidential candidate. I told you I deal with numbers. Chikuratia Kisii County na Nyamira County. Echire 1.1 million votes. Echio nchirichiro chijenzi nchira register. Okogenda Kisumu County, we have around 31,000 votes. Cheito chire Kisumu, Kiomogusi. Kakamega, about 22,000 votes. Eldoret, we have 40,000 votes. The larger former Eldoret North constituency. 40,000 votes. Okoenda Trans Nzoia, we have another 40,000 votes. Balimokoroka Kitale, ndu atenene tipako Mogavana Ororo. And he came in third. Okogenda Sakoro kuna Kajiado North, or Kajiado as a county. We have 107,000 votes in the larger Kajiado. Kogocha Nairobi ga, we have, unfortunately Nairobi, Etogo County Nairobi na Kajiado, but purely for Nairobi, we have around 92,000 votes. Kiomogusi. Nairobi ga. Kokoenda Sakoro Mombasa, we have about 40,000 votes. You may not believe, in Wundanyi constituency, we had a candidate Omogusi, otenenete award gete akabana ambaibere. Wundanyi. So, if you put our votes, Chirichia 2022, ntobuate 1.6 million votes, chirochichikirete. Lakini, etogo chaiwa, etogo nyakoba, segregated, tuate ruinu tata chikule chino gote Nyamira 300,000, Kisii 500,000, tuaba dismissed. Can we start demonstrating that we are united? We have our 1.6 million votes going to 1.8 million votes in the next election. Na intwe dotae tego ikaransa emesa yoburai ase keki koba gutari boigo ase ngencho konyora na bei na rule commitment that I'm getting into another meeting at 2 o'clock. You will allow me to go, but I am part of this. And I'm going to talk to my governor, Simba Arati, ambaye tunanyanyaswa na yeye pale kwa ODM. Tunanyanyaswa na namna gani? Ekero tu alego demand ebirogo tokarangiri Raila Amolo Odinga. Nomo governor na abachumbe bande. Tukaikaransa Serena. Tukamotebi ebirogo totagete kibagendi ayewu obo minority whip. Obo minority leader. Simba Arati abekwe chairman ye party. One of the MPs from Nyamira I wobo chairman we committee. One member from Kisii I wobo chairman we committee. Omonto koroku Timothy Bosire I